Hi, so to my view, and I am eating weird candies. Waka, waka. So I'm eating like these like weird mystery candies, and yeah. So I have 5 different candies, and I'm about to show you them right now. All right. So the first one is this Kool-Aid cherry popping candy. And the second one is this fruity candy, which is probably like a hard candy or something. And this sour punch lollipop. Then the gummies like thing with like it has strawberry flavor gummy with cherry flavor filling. And then this one I think is the weirdest, the blue raspberry artificial flavor chewy candy. So I think all of these are like kind of like mystery or whatever, or yeah. So I think I'm gonna have this one first, this one second, third, fourth, and then that one last. So yeah. So after each one, I'm gonna drink water so then I can rate them each one out of 10. And yeah, okay, so first one, this is gonna be some ASMR. So kind of. If I can open it. Yeah, I can't open it. We're gonna skip that one for now, but we're gonna do this one. So, oh wait, this might be, this is what it looks like. It's chewing candy. That one, not bad. It is fruity, and it says cherry flavor. It is cherry. That's pretty good. I give that probably like a 7 out of 10. 7.1 out of 10. So, I just finished the candy. I'm gonna drink some water. So, our second one will probably be the blue raspberry. Alright, so the fruity cherry candy I give a 7.1. Let's see about this one. Okay, this one is like a square or rectangle or whatever. So, alright, let's try. Blue raspberry. So, that's what the flavor. It's not bad. That's not bad at all. I'm gonna give it lower though than the fruity candy. But I'm gonna give it a 6.5 out of 10. It's not bad. It's like the average blueberry candy. So, yeah. So, I give that one a 6.5. Alright, I'm gonna get the drink of water. Alright, next is the sour punch lollipop. I'm gonna save the Kool-Aid one for last because I've never even heard of that before. But, alright, let's open this. Alright, let's give this a try. Oh, I'm also gonna rate this out of the sour like scale as well. Alright, this one does not have that much flavor. Yeah, this is the worst one yet. I'd probably give this one like a 5 out of 10. 5 out of 10 is good. Because, like, this is just, it's just sour flavored. Like, it's like a hint of green apple. or whatever, like sour apple or whatever. So yeah, 5 out of 10. It's not that really good. All right, finally finished lollipop. I'm gonna drink some water now. All right. The fourth candy is the gummy candy. Oh, by the way, now you might notice why there's a thumbnail now. We have thumbnails now, and also we can make our videos longer than 15 minutes now. So that's a pretty good feature that we got. And yeah. So yeah, we have thumbnails now, and we can make longer videos now. So yeah. I can see the filling in the inside. It's like a turtle shaped. So let's see how it tastes. That's not bad. Like, that's like right in between the blue raspberry and the fruit chews cherry. Or like the fruit cherry thing, like this one. So I'm gonna give it like a 6.8 or 7. Probably a 6.7 out of 10. So yeah. Yeah. So yeah, 6.7 out of 10 for the turtle gummy candy. Alright, sorry. I'm gonna get a drink of water. Alright, now I saved like the weirdest one for last, which is this one. I had to open this one off camera because it was so hard to open. So yeah. Alright. You're gonna hear some ASMR. This is what it looks like. Or wait, no, I'm probably gonna tip it over. Okay. 3, 2, 1. That's cool. That's like the loudest popping candy I've ever heard. It's still going. Alright, that one. The Kool-Aid popping candy gets the highest score of the day. It's my favorite one. It gets a 8.5 out of 10. That's really good. Yeah, that's like that's the best one, I think, all day. Yeah. Like I think the Kool-Aid cherry popping candy was like for sure like the best one out of those 5 candy. So, yeah. That'll be it for this video. And yeah, like, subscribe for more videos. We'll see you guys next time in another video. Bye bye.